Morning. Got something a little bit different for you today. I'm having a really relaxing morning, all by myself at Attenborough Nature Reserve. Yeah, Denise and Maxine were organising a baby shower for one of Maxine's mates, and I wanted to go out to the house, couldn't be doing it. So I thought I'd finally get my son down to Attenborough Nature Reserve. Yeah, Attenborough Nature Reserve. It's near Beeston in Nottingham. It's great. Don't confuse it with a naturist reserve. No nudists, no. It's all wildlife stuff, yeah. Become an Attenborough Nature Reserve duck detector. Match the silhouettes to the photos. What have we got here then? Shovel. Goose hander. That's what you're saying to. Tufted duck. What's over there? Definitely not ducks. What are they? Great crested grebes. No food bred to the ducks. Everybody's gluten intolerant these days, ain't they? I even got to go in a hide. Never been in a hide before. There are quite a few of them scattered around the place. Couldn't spot any kingfishers, unfortunately, though. An elevated hide. Let's go and have a look. Keith Colbert Memorial Holiday. Oh, what a view. Oh, what a lovely morning. Brilliant stuff. And inside this side, they had loads of pictures of birds you could keep an eye out for, like the dunlin and the goldfinch. Never been in a hide before. Due in one day, like buses, ain't they? Gotta be dead quiet, otherwise I'll annoy the other folk who are in here and scare off all the wildlife. Yeah. Reminded me in a little bit Jurassic Park, you know, where you're just observing all these species. But instead of dinosaurs, it were birds. Bird park. Great, this, isn't it? Should have brought me bins, like that other bloke, so I could have a proper look at it all. What's this fella doing? Oh, we'll pack up, he said. And down I go again. Yeah, I could be like Johnny Morris, couldn't you? Do a programme where all animals talk. I used to like Johnny Morris, I thought he was good. Bit of a gap in the market now. What's this fella doing anyway? He's holding his breath. Oh, there he comes again. Oh, and down he goes again. Now they've got a swanky visitor centre. I nearly didn't make it in because one of these geese was sort of standing guard, scaring me a little bit. At least I thought it was a goose. It could have been a crested grebe, couldn't it? But I got in eventually. They got a nice cafe where I got my son a cup of tea and a scone. That was good. And they've got some stuff for the kids to do as well, stuff to keep the kids occupied. So yeah, you can bring the kids along as well. It's great. So, hope you liked the video this week. A bit different, I know. If you did, like it, share it, subscribe. And I'll see you next week. I'm going to stay here a bit longer. Don't want to go home to a madhouse. Ta-ra.